it looks like your slope is wrong. The slope is 14/9, and you're entering negative 14 over 15. So let's find the slope. The slope is a difference in your y's. That's going to be 3 minus 2/3 over the difference in your x's, negative 1/2 minus a negative 2. So that's 3 minus 2/3 over negative 1/2 plus 2. And let's multiply top and bottom by 6 to get rid of the complex fractions. 6 times 3 is 18. 6 times 2/3 is 4. 6 times negative 1/2 is a negative 3. 6 times 2 is positive 12. So that gives you 14 over 9. And that's the correct slope. So that's what's messing you up.